Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for my Crochet for Beginners paperback. Thank you everybody for listening to my Audible that I just placed on this book and for leaving a review if you did. I'm waiting for my Crochet Hats for Beginners Audible to come out soon. So I will let you know and then you can have a listen to that one if you would like to. And also my Etsy store, my link is down below for that. I've been adding a few things here and there. Um, my popular ones are my crochet virus poncho, the 4 crochet printables, which is like abbreviation and charts. I just placed this heart in there, and my other heart that I have in here is pretty popular. I just added a habit trackers um, chart printables and time to unwind crochet pouch. I really liked this one because I added some flowers to it. Then time to unwind, a little notebook. You can place your patterns in there or any little things you like to write in a notebook and stuff like that, as well as like some crochet shirts, crochet mugs, some miscellaneous things in here. I've just been adding stuff here and there. So also, if you'd like to be a member of the Knit Crate, my links are down below. You can join under me by placing the promo code JEWEL20. You'll get your first month 20% off of $24.99, and you can come in here. So let's see who the winner is. So congratulations, Angie. Please contact me. My email is down below. I will send this out to you as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing and for watching, and I will have more of these coming out to you as far as the giveaways in the future. Look out for any new videos have done. I just did the poncho one. You can have a look at that one. It's one size fits all. So thank you everybody for watching.